Can you say Happy Father's Day to Daddy? That's pretty close. Will you put her down on your tummy so that she can do that little crawly thing? Yeah, let's see. Let's see you do some tricks. There you go.
There you go. There you go.
Who's so silly? Is there a bug in your shirt? Penny. Okay. Oh. Bouncer. Yeah. Yeah.
Here you go. Yeah, do this. Do this.
Okay. Okay, Happy Father's Day, Daddy. Bye-bye.